Okay, we're at Rua de Coimbra. We're gonna be walking straight down that way. We're gonna basically walk to that McDonald's down here. That's all part of Rua de Coimbra. Just to give a little context. It's about 8 o'clock at nighttime. Down there is Taipa Central Park. You can see all these tall buildings. There's a Jollibee's restaurant around the corner. There's a new Skyway. There's a police station right here. That's right there. And then a different street here. But we're gonna be going down Rua de Coimbra. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's Rua de Coimbra. We'll be walking down Rua de Coimbra. It's just going to go down on this side. You can kind of get a view. There's a French restaurant on that side behind me. So right there is a Paris store. You can get French foods in that place. And then we're going to keep walking down this way. Usually I walk down that street, down that side, but we're going to be going down this street, this side today. I've probably filmed all these streets a handful of times, so. But this one's kind of interesting to the left because it's like rock and roll Japanese food. Yeah, there it is, rock and roll. This is a Mid-Autumn Festival, so all these things are up for the Mid-Autumn Festival. Here's a restaurant. It's popular tonight. Japanese. Oh no, sorry, dim sum. Shanghai. Got another restaurant coming. I got some banks coming up. Then we're gonna go across to Flower City over at the other side. So Rua de Coimbra is gonna enter into Flower City and such. So we're gonna be walking over that way next. As well, restaurants. You got Flower City on one side over there. So that's a nice little park. So Rua de Coimbra. See all the buildings all the way up over there. Goes all the way down that way, all the way to Central Taipa Park. So there's a skyway down that way, and then you can take that way over to a metro station over that way. So that's kind of some new things about this area. Let's keep walking down further. So straight ahead is Londoner Casino, Venetian Casino, and it's actually easy to get over into that area as well. So there's a kind of a strange thing in the middle here. It's kind of like a no man's land of like city property kind of stuff, which is a straight ahead, and then so you have to go around it like that in the Taipa village, and you can cross over. Oh, here's a little park right here. So let's just take a look at this real quick. Looks like it's still open. So there's like frogs and fish, little skate rink over there. Lots of parks to sit and enjoy the park as well. That's the Sanmui supermarket. That's Rua de Coimbra. So we're gonna walk directly down that way in a minute. I just want to show you this real quick. Sanmui supermarket right there. You could definitely walk across it, walk through it, but I'm gonna walk down this way instead. We got, this is a new restaurant slash bar. So got a little story behind it. The number 16 kitchen. Okay, this one is it's a new kitchen, I guess. Doesn't look like there's many people in it. Organic salad, Portuguese, meat, short ribs. Prices are good. Okay. Bacalhau. Then this is music bar is already closed. Dang. That was just open, just very short, just, yeah, wow. Last time I was walking down it, it was open. So there's a Galaxy Casino down there, so we could walk all the way over there to Cotai area. And that's Rua de Coimbra. That's the one that we focused on. If we walk down a little bit further, there's always more to explore, right? So there's more stuff down that way. And that's ours right there, Rua de Coimbra. Okay. And that's the little park in there too. So let's finish this one right here.
Toma cuidado, la voz